Good morning. How is everyone? So this is what we got today. We got 3 ponds. We got this one, nasty canker in it, and then this one. And I don't know, this house might, well, this property might look familiar. This is actually my buddy John's house, and we have done a bunch of work here, and yeah, he wants to get rid of these 3. They're the last 3 that are real close to his shop. That's actually on his property, as far as I think he said. I think there might be one more, but yeah, so we're gonna get these 3 down and haul it off for him. Take you along for the ride. Hold on. It's because it's on a zip line. Break, don't break. Ready? That's the last one that's tangled with that tree. No, I didn't. I was I'll let you know when it's coming. It's all you. Very nice. Yeah, there's no one left to chip, is there? Well, I'm not worried about that. We can throw that in. You're good. All finished, completely done with the 3 ponds that needed to be done. Got about a load and a half of logs because we had about half a load of chips. Flattened the chips out and then put some logs in top. Yeah, like to say, if you're in the North Georgia area, we'd love to cut your trees, and please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next episode.